Yo guys, it's HB.IO here, and today we're doing another taste tester video. And today we're eating dinner. We've never had this dinner before, and here's the creator.
Can I have a spoon, please? Ken, can you pass me a piece of bread? Have you got any butter?
Yeah. Excuse me.
Can you put some butter on the table, please? Right, my bro's gonna go first.
I'm going to try a bit of sweet potato actually, guys.
I'm not gonna try sweet potato.
Try a bit of sweet potato.
He's gonna judge the potato. Please may you put it.
That's good.
Please may you butter it.
That's 10 out of 10. What is this? What is this?
Chicken.
Okay, let's
Look
taste
inside
the
the
chicken.
chicken. It's really white.
Here it is, guys.
I like the chicken.
Oh, that was a bone.
Can I have ketchup, please?
Okay, I'm going to try a bit without bone.
Come on.
That was good, guys. I totally recommend that. That's a taste tester video. I'll do one a little bit later, and bye.